starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright, cool dudes, grabbing a ton of green cubes. Their teammate, Bros, grabbing a green cube, putting it into the goal. Cool dudes spitting out 4 cubes into that goal. Bros, trying to grab another green cube. Cool dudes grabbing some more green cubes into that collection. That's 35 seconds, you can have switch drivers. Cool dudes spitting out tons of green cubes into those goals. Bros grabbing some more. Looks like Cool Dudes is pushing on some of those reds. You can have the 25 seconds you must switch if you have it. All of the reds have been de-scored from the post. Cool Dudes grabbing a ton of green cubes into their collection. Bros having one ready. Both teams are going to make an effort to cross the play at the end of the match.